Hello everyone, welcome to Pine Network's configuration tutorial series. Today we have an interesting topic. We will be configuring VLANs. Let's get started. We will be using two OcNOS routers and 4 PCs to be divided between two VLANs. Let's drag two OcNOS routers, connect them together, connect two PCs to each router, start all the devices and wait for them to boot. Now that all the devices are up and running, let's get to work. We will first start by creating a VLAN aware bridge. We will use the command bridge1 protocol IEEE VLAN bridge. Then we will configure our VLAN. We will use the command VLAN database to enter the VLAN configuration mode. Next, we need to enable our VLAN on the bridge that we just created to allow forwarding of frames on that bridge. We will use the command VLAN and our VLAN ID. We will use the VLAN 10 bridge 1 state enable. We will have to do the same thing for the second VLAN. And finally, we commit our configuration. Now that we have created our bridge and VLANs, let's configure the interfaces. First thing to do is to set the interfaces as a layer 2 port. The command switch port is used under the interface configuration mode. And we will need to set the switching characteristic of the interfaces connecting the routers together to trunk mode. But before that, we will need to associate the interfaces with our bridge group. Next, we need to enable all VLAN IDs on this port. And we commit our configuration. We will be repeating the same commands on the second router. Now we have to set the switching characteristics of the interfaces connecting the PCs to access mode. The interfaces are ETH2 and 3 on both routers. We will be associating the interface ETH2 with the VLAN 10 and ETH3 with the VLAN 20. Now let's do the same thing for the second router. To summarize what we did, we created a VLAN aware bridge and enabled our VLANs on the bridge we created. We configured the interfaces connecting the routers together as trunk mode and configured the interfaces connecting the PCs as access mode and accessed their respective VLANs. As you can see, PC1 and 3 are on the VLAN 10 and PC2 and 4 are on the VLAN 20. If you notice, we can ping from PC1 to PC3. But if we try to ping from PC1 to either PC2 or 4, the ping will fail. Same thing with PC2 and 4, they can ping each other. Let's take a look at the VLANs currently running on our multi-layer switch. We will use the command show VLAN brief. And there you have it. Thank you for watching.